Hey guys, welcome to my gun collection 2021. This is my battle belt edition. So this is really just a breakdown of all my guns shown in my 2020 gun collection, link above. You guys asked and I'm here to deliver, so please do hit the like and subscribe button, and let's go ahead and dive straight into it. So this is my battle belt. First off, I have my mechanics gloves. These are multicam fast fit tactical work gloves. Next we have my Esstac KYWI shorty mag carrier. It's the 5.56 1+2 gap side by side, and at my rear I have the CoyoteTactical Slim Tear off medical pouch, also known as the STOMP Gen 2. This medical pouch is rich with features and space. I store my Cont Gen 7 tourniquet on the outside in the provided loops. Another awesome feature besides the tearaway is the fact that it can be opened from any direction or any side. This thing has space, tons of it, and I utilize pretty much as much of it as I can. So let's go ahead and have a breakdown. Link for all items in the description. 4-inch flat emergency trauma dressing. CPR face shield. Have 2 sets of S-rolled gloss, 2 sets of medical grade night tail gloves, a 14 gauge decompression needle, MPA with lube, medical frog tape, iodine swab sticks, and a mini 4-inch emergency trauma dressing, 2 sets of vent chest seals, and that's about it. On top of the medical pouch, I also have the TYRTactical low profile military medical shear pouch. This holds my master supply shears. These shears are ridiculously strong. They're able to cut across a penny with no problem. Now back to the belt tour. I have the Blue Force Gear 10-speed ultralight dump pouch. This thing is roomy and huge. My VP9 rests in the Safariland holster model 6395 ALS, connected via Safariland quick locking system to a Safariland UBL mid-ride. I use the T-Rex arms thigh strap to keep it all together. To be able to use the AWS belt without jeans, I use the High-Speed Gear micro grip padded belt liner. I had to use heavy graded double-sided Velcro to attach the belt liner to the AWS belt. The AWS belt uses the proven industry standard Cobra belts. The only downside to this belt for me is the need for padding to wear it without a belt and the time it takes to ship. Other than that, it's a great investment and I highly recommend it. My Esstac KYWI mag carrier uses the WTF straps for attachment, which are super light and yet strong. The AWS comes with an inner Velcro belt, which is great for attaching to pants. It makes the AWS belt attach to your body securely and ensures that it does not go anywhere. It's super easy and fast to throw on and off. The AWS is an affordable yet Gucci battle belt to build upon. Starting at $64.25, it's worth the investment. I say hop in it. If you guys have sat through and watched this whole video, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to you. Please do like, subscribe, and comment. I have a lot more great content coming on a regular basis. You guys take care and have a great one. Bye.